Saturday, and I made her to the shop in Denver late last night, but I'm not getting any air to my trailer, so it must be froze up because Rich had to leave my truck out of the shop the one night that it was like -15, which is fine, but yeah, everything's froze up. But this morning it's pretty nice, warm, sun shining, so hopefully it can just unthaw itself here in the next half hour or so. And then I noticed a lot of oil coming from the top of my head. I have no idea what it is, but it's not doing so bad right now. I didn't run the truck last night just because it was so smoky in the cab that I couldn't deal with it. It's just from the oil. I'm just wondering if it's from when Will, when he was adjusting the jake brakes or whatever. For the amount that's on the ground, it kind of concerns me that that's not the case. I guess we'll just have to dive a little deeper into it. All right, guys. Well, this is Squid. Say what's up, Squid. What's up? So what are we doing today?
We're going to Phoenix.
All right, let's go, baby. I'm excited. So this is going to be my first run, technically, with SHOMOTION, and hopefully it goes well because, it seems like a really good gig, and it seems like some pretty cool guys to work with.
It's a beautiful day.
Yeah,
it's not freezing no more. Nothing but clear roads ahead.
Let's go, baby. All right, well, let's do this. All right, let's go. We are both hooked up, and we are going to be heading to Colorado Springs, and then dropping these trailers, and then picking up the loaded trailers, and then we're going to go to Glendale. After that, we're going to stop in between and get the trailer and truck and all that washed up, make sure we're looking good. So it should be a day and a half. As long as we get there before Monday, we're good to go. So let's do this. All right, got the trailer that I'm taking to Phoenix. Squid's got his. He's got the step deck. We're rolling out. As most of you know, I'm due for a new front bumper. With thousands of options on the market, it can be hard to just pick one. Luckily, I stumbled across my new home for Chrome. Truck City Chrome and parts have it all, with a variety of bumpers, fenders, stacks, LED lights, and more. They carry United Pacific, Grand General, Trucks, Lincoln Chrome, US Star, and Hazer, making them a one-stop shop for all your trucking needs. Make sure to stop by their new location, open now in Atlanta, Georgia, and get your ride looking fresh. They can't mount them. They can't do it for another 3-4 hours, so we're not going to wait that long. So what we're going to do is we're going to throw it on the trailer I got right here, perfect spot, and yeah, we'll hit the road. Let's go. Quality love stuff. Gotta love it. This isn't good. Yeah, I think my motor gave out on me. Man. Well, good news is the truck did start, but I'm just trying to make it to the truck stop. It's about 4 miles up, and top it off with some oil, and hopefully she's good to go. So hopefully we can make her. Fingers crossed. Well, I made it to the exit at least, but the gas station's still like a mile down the road. Alright, well, put some more oil in and see if we can make her to the truck center and get it sealed, because Looks like that seal gave on the top. It's leaking pretty good, as you guys can see. Yeah, it's a bummer, but what do you do? We are back in business. I think just got too low on the oil, and luckily it has like a safety shut-off deal or whatever, to where you can't hurt the motor. It's running pretty strong right now. I'm kind of impressed. But yeah, so got some more oil and pump that in. The truck stop actually gave me some free food too, just on the house. I don't know. That's the second time I've gotten free food. But that was a very big scare for me because honestly, I mean, we're not there yet, but you know, it's definitely not a good way to impress someone that you want to work with. It just shows, hey, sorry, your truck's not, you know, reliable to do this. So hopefully understands and get her dialed for when the actual tour starts. Just have to wait and see. Alright, well, full update on the motor. It's not really wanting to stay running anymore. It's shut off on me like 3 times in the last 5 minutes, so I am going to try my best to, I don't know, do something with that top part and pray that I can make it the rest of the way. Yeah, but lots of oil, not good. Alright, well, got the cover off. Right here it is. There's a couple bolts that were pretty loose, so that could be a big factor too, but yeah, oh well, shit happens. So I just try to put her back together and hope that she works. Alright, got her back on. Hopefully we don't have as bad of a leak as before. So we'll just have to wait and see. Well, I guess I didn't fix the problem. Dang, she did good for a while. For like 4 hours. Yeah, I just need to get her done. Yeah, this thing's acting weird. Oh, now it doesn't want to do it since I got the camera out. Oh, you camera shy? Try to keep on going. It's like some Jurassic Park stuff. Man, that's cool. Just good old Arizona. To deliver. Who's this bum sitting on the back of my trailer? Hey, no free rides. I'll take that 20 now. Come on now.
Ass, grass, gas, right?
Looking good with the new rims. Let's go. Last stretch before we make her to Glendale. About an hour left. Truck and trailers washed, and then we'll head to the stadium and then stage for unloading. Well, I really thought all the bullshit on the this trip was done with, but of course it just had to kick me in the butt. Literally 30 minutes from the stadium after fighting, you know, the truck dying multiple times the last 24 hours, and I get 30 minutes out and it doesn't want to freaking start for me, and I ended up draining the batteries, and box truck ended up stopping, and we tried jumping it there but didn't work. And then I spent hours on hours just calling service guys, and they're like, yeah, well, we can get to you, you know, in 4 or 5 hours. So I was just like, well, you know, I gotta try to find someone else. So, but yeah, finally got someone on the way, so they're gonna come try to, yeah, I mean, hopefully it just stays running, and hopefully I can make it to the stadium. It's all I pray. And you know, if I have to get a tow from there, I care less. I just want to make sure I can get this trailer here, because yeah, the crappy part is who knows if I'm still gonna do this, but I guess we'll just have to wait and see. Yeah, I really let them down, but I really thought I'd be able to do it. It happens, but it's really bad when it's your first day and trying to impress these guys. And yeah, definitely complete opposite, but that's life. So just gotta move forward and, you know, hope for the best. Figure I'll give her one more try, even though I already paid them $300. But yeah, that's a no-go. She dead. Speak of the devil, what is that? A freaking minivan? That's my service truck? I paid $300 and some bucks for that? Shit.